guide you through transferring your money from PayPal to a debit card without getting stuck in card verification loops, overpaying on immediate convenience fees, or tripping automated fraud compliance holds. If you're ready, click the like button. Let's get started. PayPal allows you to send money out of your digital account dashboard using two entirely separate processing pathways. This frequently confuses users trying to balance speed against overhead expenses. Here's how to send to a debit card. Open the PayPal mobile app on your smartphone or log into your web wallet profile at paypal.com. Select your main wallet balance total displayed directly on your primary home interface screen. Tap the Transfer button followed by the Transfer to Bank option, which PayPal structurally uses to group both standard banking and external debit card cash-outs. Select your verified, eligible debit card from your available payout destination list. If you have not added a debit card, check the linked video for the easy steps. To move your money to your card completely free of charge within roughly 48 hours, choose the standard processing option. To route your cash into your account within minutes for a minor processing fee of 1.75%, which carries a minimum charge of 25 cents and caps out at a maximum fee of $25, select the instant transfer processing option instead. Enter your desired cash-out amount, making sure it falls between the required $1 network minimum and the $5,000 daily transaction ceiling. Review the transparent fee calculation overview page carefully, and tap Transfer Now to authorize the final settlement sequence. If you have any queries or input, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Don't forget to subscribe for more of such educational videos, and thanks for watching.